This conference will now be recorded.
So here in LVM, what it shows is like, this is the traditional way. What we used to do is, let's say if you have 1 TB of 3 hard disks, so there can be a way where we can divide 1 TB in root file system, 1 TB in home and var, and 1 TB for the projects. And we can install, partition the disk drive, create a file system. So coming to the LVM, what we do is we do have 3 physical volume, and out of that we can create a 2 logical volume. We can create 2 logical volume. And let's say if we are in a lack of space, then what we can do is we can add additional disk, and with the additional disk we can add that particular additional disk into the volume group, and then we can expand this volume group to a larger size, and that can be get utilized by these logical volumes. So that's the one case. Based on need, we can increase or decrease the logical volume size, but precondition the availability of the same size on volume group. So this is the process what we are going to follow for doing that. So let's take an example and do that. Or what I can say is, let's leave this to you guys. First do this and come back with a problem, what you are not able to do and what you're not able to understand. Then probably I can re-explain it again, rather than explaining me at first and then going you and doing the work. Let's do this way. Let's do vice versa. So by looking at the command, everybody thinks that you will be able to do that. I'm asking to everyone: Ritesh, Gangesh, Swanti, Kumuda, Aditya, Ansh, Shanti.
Hello.
Yes, Gangesh.
Yes, sir. I know the commands.
Okay, so what I can say is, like, I'll not teach or I'll not explain all these things today. Today I will leave this class for question answer session. If you do have any questions, you can ask and I will try to reply. So probably that session we can do for today, and then probably we can wrap up the class. You can go ahead with this, and then maybe on Monday we can come back with things like what you have faced issue for everyone, what they have faced issue and how they are going to do. Really, no doubt. Nobody has any doubt. Ritesh, Swanti, Aditya, Kumuda, Ansh.
Hello.
Yes, Kangesh, tell me. Your voice is breaking a lot. Your voice is breaking. Yeah, say it. Oh, okay. Thanks, Ritesh and Ansh, for clarifying. You don't have any doubt. I didn't ask any question, guys. My concern is, like, if anybody has any doubt, can ask the question. So I asked nobody has any doubt. I thought to go ahead and explain this, but suddenly came into my mind that we can change the way we work. So let's see how it works, how it goes. If that goes in a good way, if add something in your learning, then probably it's a plus point for you guys as well. If it's not going to earn, if it's not going to learn anything into your learning, then probably or going to waste your time or my time, then probably I can revert my the course of action. But let's see. So if no doubt, then probably we can wrap up the session.
Hello.
Yes, Kangesh.
Sir, just first of all, just suppose if you want to remove the logical volume,
Mm,
then we use the LV remove command, I think.
I think yes.
Can you can you share the syntax basically? Just suppose if I want to remove the volume group, then use VG create hyphen F, and for physical volume, we PV remove hyphen double F. So for logical volume, remove which command exact proper syntax?
That's not mentioned there.
Actually, I didn't see.
Mm-hmm. Okay, then I think I will need, I need to look at the help menu. I will need to look at the help menu actually. What it says. So what all packages it requires? Let me check because I need to install those packages as well. LV group and VG group. Mm, Let me open VirtualBox. Let me start this machine. So you're asking for remove, correct? So the easiest way what I'm able to think is like LV remove probably you can keep, and then maybe the device name LV remove slash dev slash the group, and then slash volume name, whatever you have created. You're getting what I'm saying? Gangesh, are you getting?